Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's video, I'm actually working on the truck. I've been listening to some music all day, I've taken a couple of work phone calls, and my battery's about to die on my phone. So that actually gives me a really good opportunity to unbox and start to test a new product that I just picked up. I picked up, you know me, I've had a bunch of stuff from Lander. I have their Lander Cairn XL lantern that's awesome. It has like proximity, so as you get close, it'll turn back on and stuff. I love that for my rooftop tent. So I picked up this 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, and it comes with this little strap, so you can actually strap it to your phone. And in my case, I shoot videos on my phone for you guys, so it kind of made sense to have something like this that just sort of wirelessly could be constantly charging my phone while I'm shooting videos and stuff. So I'm actually going to unwrap this really quick, and then I'm going to kind of walk you through the features and everything on it, and then I'm going to be using it to shoot more videos today to test out, you know, how long it lasts and kind of how it does. So again, it's waterproof, which is really nice. It's wireless, so it has the key wireless charging built into it. I like that it has this, I mean, it's a very simple idea, right? But it has this band that basically just holds your phone to it so that you don't have to worry about it. I have a bunch of these that are kind of like wireless, and I set my phone on it like on a table when I'm camping, and it's never level, right? So then I look over and my phone's sliding off and falling on the ground or getting scratched up on the table. So I like that that'll help hold it in place. You can also charge multiple devices at once, which is really cool. And again, it's waterproof, which, you know, for camping and that sort of thing is just a really nice feature. Like most of their stuff, it's really well made. I'm sure the quality is going to be good, so that's kind of part of why I decided to get this one over like a cheapie off Amazon. FYI too, if you are like out west or you're someplace that's super dusty, it does have an IP65 dust proof rating, so that's kind of nice. I don't do a ton of dusty stuff, but I've been through West Virginia in the summer. I've been through places where I've looked around the cab and everything is just covered in dust, so that's kind of nice. Recharges via USB-C, which is handy. Everything seems to be going to USB-C, so I'm getting more and more into that, where I just have everything can charge off the same universal USB-C charger, which is nice. It'll accept up to 18 watts fast delivery, so it'll charge up really fast, which is really nice. Another nice benefit of having like a good name brand product instead of, you know, an Amazon cheapie. And then last but not least, it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is really nice. So again, I think this thing's pretty cool. I'm super excited to use it. Let me open it up here for you guys though, and we'll show you what it looks like. So once you open up the box, you've got the charger right in here. It's got kind of like a rubberized coating on it, which is really nice. It's got a good heft, but it's not super thick. It's probably, so I have an iPhone 12, and it's probably about 30-ish% thicker than my iPhone. So probably like an iPhone and a third thick. But again, it's just got this simple, super simple strap that will just hold it to your phone. Like, I don't know why more companies haven't thought of something like this, but I love that they did that. Then down here at the bottom, it's got sort of a cover that keeps everything dust proof. You've got a USB-C for charging it up and a USB-A. And again, then I'm going to use this wirelessly with my phone just to set my phone on top of and charge it. But it's nice that it has that cover at the bottom because that's going to keep it dust proof and waterproof, right? Again, it's got kind of a nice design on a little lightning bolt and some lines on it. Gives it some texture, makes it a little bit nice looking. There's some like little flecks of color in here that's kind of cool. Didn't really realize that it had color in it, but it's kind of neat looking. There is a button here on the side, and I'm guessing that's what turns it on. So I hit it, you know, it came with a couple of bars. It's not fully charged. I'll have to charge this thing up, but you hit that button, it comes on. Presumably if your phone is on top of it, then that's going to start charging, right? So again, stupid simple, super easy to use. Throw your phone on there, put the strap around it, throw it over on the camp table, throw it in the back of the bed of your truck. Also included in the box is a charging cable, and also kind of cool, a QR code that will give you like the instructions, right? So a quick start guide. If you have any questions about it, you want to use it and right away and you have questions, it's pretty straightforward. If you've used a power bank before, you know what these things are like. You're literally going to charge this thing into like a wall plug or your vehicle or something like that, and then plug the USB-C into the USB-C port on the bottom of this thing, charge it up. Once it's charged, seal up the bottom to keep it waterproof and dustproof, and then again, slap your phone onto it, slap the strap around it, and you're charging. So again, I'm super excited about this. Nothing too crazy with it. This isn't going to be a 20-minute review or anything like that. But again, as with all the stuff that I've ever had from Lander, super high quality, good looks to it. It's a nice looking power bank, not too thick. Smart design with the strap with it. So again, I'm excited to try this thing out and use this pretty frequently. Again, mine that I've had have always been the Amazon ones. They take forever to charge. They are slippery on the top, so my phone just slides off of it. I hate using them. So I generally end up like just either letting my phone die or like plugging it in with a cord like in my truck. So this will let you kind of get beside the campfire, get out and doing things, still being able to use your phone while it charges, which I really, really like. So again, those are kind of my thoughts of the initial unboxing of the Lander power bank. If you have any questions about it, post up in the comments below if you want dimensions or anything. I will put a link to the product down in the description if you want to pick one up. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a couple videos a week, so always things about gear reviews, trip videos, just general overlanding type vlogs and podcasts, that sort of stuff. I'm a Nissan person, but actually there may be some new vehicles coming in the future. There may be some surprises in 2022. So just because I'm a Nissan person doesn't mean I'm not just into general overlanding and giving tips on all that stuff. So make sure to subscribe. Also links in the description to Facebook, Instagram, and the podcast. There's also links to the Patreon page where there's a lot of cool people hanging out, asking great questions, helping me with videos and things like that. Doing some like bi-weekly or bi-monthly calls. Doing some bi-monthly calls, which is kind of fun. So definitely check that out. And then last but not least, the Newbie Overlanders page. If you're new to overlanding, you want to learn more, totally free to join. It's on Facebook and it's growing every day, so I'd love to have you. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.